Hello everyone, welcome to Explore Hop. For this example, we're told to differentiate the following function using the quotient rule. And the function we're given is the function f of x, which is equal to x squared minus 21x minus 10 all over 2x minus 1. So just to review what the quotient rule is. If h of x is equal to f of x over g of x, where g of x is not equal to 0, then the derivative of h of x is equal to the derivative of f of x times g of x minus f of x times the derivative of g of x all over g of x squared. So this means that the derivative of our function is equal to the derivative of the numerator, which is x squared minus 21x minus 10 times 2x minus 1, which is the denominator, minus the numerator, so x squared minus 21x minus 10 times the derivative of the denominator. All over the denominator squared. So 2x minus 1 squared. So this means that the derivative of f of x, and we're going to write it like this now, is equal to the derivative of x squared minus 21x minus 10, which is 2x minus 21 times 2x minus 1 minus x squared minus 21x minus 10 times the derivative of 2x minus 1, which is equal to 2, all over 2x minus 1 squared. And this is equal to 4x squared minus 44x plus 21 minus 2x squared plus 42x plus 20 all over 2x minus 1 squared. And this is equal to 2x squared minus 2x plus 41 all over 2x minus 1 squared. And this gives us the derivative of the function f of x using the quotient rule. That's it for this example. Thank you for joining us. See you in the next lesson.